Hey, and welcome back to Lang Speed Cycle. I'm Bernie, and behind me I have my 1969 Buick Skylark I call Paradise. And in this video we're going to do a little rewind back to the summer when I actually got the power windows working. This car has all original interior parts, and the windows didn't work when I got the car, and I don't know when they worked last before that. So trying to get these windows working was a big step for me because it doesn't have a B-pillar, so getting all the windows to work in this car would have been really cool, and that's what we did. So I hope you really like this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe bell, and let's get after it. So one super cool thing about this car is that it came fully loaded. It came with power windows, power locks, cruise control, power seat, radio. Turns out it has the base radio. There's only one speaker in the entire car. I can actually see under the dash. There's where a speaker should be, and it's just a plate of metal. But one of the things that wasn't working was the power windows, and I don't really care about the power locks, but the power windows was a big deal. And luckily I found something on Google where it has this 3-pin relay, and it had power going to it, 12 volts hot, and key switch. So in like a 4-pin relay you have key in, 12 volts hot, ground, and output. And here is the 3-pin power window relay, and you can see you're supposed to have 12 volts come in right there, and then key comes in and completes the circuit. And one thing I was wondering is, dang, where is ground? Because, you know, where's ground on this? Well, if you look in there, I'm gonna do that. There you can see a little teeny tab. Trying to get a good angle. There it is. There's the wire not attached to the coil. So I'm gonna try it. 4-pin relay. We'll see if we get windows. That would be so cool, man. And then I got some Walmart Sonys. Just gonna wire one up and see if the radio works, because I'm kind of assuming the same thing, that there's a bad ground somewhere, because this car, again, is 53 years old and there's definitely rust hidden and rust visible. But like I pulled the left rear door panel off last night. Looks brand new inside, so super cool. Let's see if getting the relay in fixes our problem. Ow. Let's see. Ground. There. Need a flashlight. It's in my pocket. So we have orange hot. Doesn't fit, obviously. Oh, it does. Yes. Hot. 86 is our key, which is hello. Cross some fingers. Hmm. That sucks. No freaking way. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Oh my gosh. Yes! 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 Oh, it works. That's awesome. Yep, that's definitely still leaking. Well, I hope you enjoyed that window repair clip. I had a great time fixing that. As you can see, I was overjoyed to actually get the windows working. It was a super cool event and really changed cruising in the car totally because of the airflow, and just the nostalgia of having all the windows down was super cool. Now we got a lot of other work to do before spring hits. We got coolant leaks, engine oil leaks, transmission leaks, brake leaks, dead battery, electrical draws, all sorts of stuff. So don't forget to subscribe because I got a lot more Buick stuff coming along with everything else. Thanks again for watching, and remember, find them, fix them, and drive them.